Hi everybody, we're OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. Our aim is to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Does seeing an update or notification make you want to close your laptop and run? I get it. Updates feel scary, but ignoring them can actually be much worse. Today we're taking the mystery out of your settings so you can stay in control. Think of an update as a tune-up for your digital life. They do three things. They fix bugs that make your phone lag, they add cool new features, and most importantly, they improve security to keep the hackers out. There are two types of updates you need to know about. System updates, these change how your whole device works. You'll find those in your main settings menu. And secondly, app updates. They refresh things like Facebook or bank apps. You handle those in the App Store. And to always be safe, always go to the official menu and never click on random pop-up ads that say your device is infected, update now, or something like that. You don't have to let an update ruin your workflow. In your settings, look for the schedule option. This tells your device to handle the heavy lifting while you're asleep, so when you wake up fresh, your phone is already up to date. It's okay to explore your settings menu, but for now, avoid anything labelled developer option or anything that has reset in it, unless you know what you're doing, as these options could delete data from your phone that you do not want. And remember, once the update finishes, always restart your device to make sure everything settles in correctly, and do not turn off your display while it's updating. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and get in touch with our team down in the description below for our digital products, books, or just general information. And have a good day, and bye.